Briefs versus boxer shorts. The revolution in fashion has created a lot of changes in men's underwear. Designers every now and then reinvent briefs and boxer shorts. The difference between the two is basically in the size and fit. Briefs are smaller, thus they fit perfectly to the body of men. On the other hand, boxers are buddy and cooler when used. Men's preference differs a lot in choosing the best between the two. Briefs are said to be sexy and defines the figure of men. Some use briefs because it is the traditional underwear. Others find boxer shorts very annoying, especially when they use fitted pants. Boxer shorts are for the conservatives and for those who are uncomfortable with tightly fit underwear. There are more than enough reasons why some men use boxer shorts and why some men use briefs. Recently, a lot of arguments have been created as to which between the two will be beneficial to men's fertility. According to some, tight briefs generate a lot of heat. They say that heat can cause infertility. That is why a lot of brief patrons have shifted from their usual underwear. Another valuable reason is that briefs prevent movement of the penis. It is said that constant exercise by the penis will help in stimulating and erecting it. In addition, the blood will flow more freely, enabling the penis to serve its purpose. With the influx of arguments about the bad effects of briefs to men's fertility, there has not been any significant change of the part of men in terms of underwear preference. In fact, brief manufacturers insist that such claims are untrue, as proven by some studies, which showed no significant difference in the use of briefs and boxer shorts to men's fertility. According to a study, sperm sterilization can be caused by sudden increase of temperature in the testis. So much heat will destroy some of the sperm cells until a man reaches infertility. In the experiment, men were asked to wear briefs and boxer shorts. The most important factor was the difference of the heat in the testis when using a brief or a boxer short. The results suggested that the claim on briefs causing heat is purely exaggeration. Briefs do not generate enough heat to disturb the balance in men's reproductive organs. To boot, there is no significant distinction observed in terms of the temperature of the testis after using a brief and a boxer short. Moreover, the preference to use a brief or a boxer short has no effect in the fertility of men. Therefore, the advice given to men to use boxer shorts instead of briefs is proven as scientifically and medically baseless. The facts clearly indicate that choosing between a brief and a boxer short should not be based on fertility issues. Since there are no significant differences, style and comfort will be the determinants in selecting the best underwear. Brief users have no reasons to panic and boxer shorts users have nothing to argue about. The only thing that should separate both is the design and nothing else.